Good evening. My name is Trent Howard, and this is my infographic on organic farming. So, the focus of this infographic is organic farming and its benefits. I had previously written a paper demonstrating and explaining all the benefits that organic farming has come about through years of research and practical application through its agricultural advancements, not only in the field but also in the labs. So my claim is that organic farming is a solution for the food shortage because it allows for larger crop yields and less impact on the environment in turn. So the significance and benefits of this claim show that obviously there's a larger crop yield, which will lessen the problem of shortage of food. The foods themselves, the crops, will be able to withstand harsher environments. So your crops that will only grow in one certain environment will not only be able to grow there, but also in other environments because of the type of farming that it requires and the way they're able to adapt to the different environments. They can go without water for longer periods of time, so when areas experience droughts, these crops are able to withstand these harsh times, such as when they have the time with no water, whereas farming with conventional, they will require water, and if they do not have that and they experience one of these droughts, normally those crop yields are now destroyed and will not be able to be used for that whole year, which in turn allow the farmers to make no money. Now, the pesticides and chemicals, there's not as much, there's almost no need for them based on the way they farm and how they set up their farms in general. So with that, there's not as much pollution or harmful effect to the environment from these crops. Not only are they not using the pesticides and chemicals, they're not genetically modifying the crops as much as they would need to be as a conventional type of farming. Now, some extra fun facts. They provide vast amounts of nutritional value compared to the average conventional farming crops. They contain more carbon in the soil, which aids in the fight against climate change. So it creates a healthier soil once they degrade and break down, which what it says aids in the fight against climate change. Now, like I stated before, pesticides are not as needed compared to conventional farms, and it decreases the nitrate leaking into the environment. And that goes along with the not as much need for pesticides and the use. And this is my references page. It is currently being completed as soon as possible. I'm currently trying to fix the issue on trying to move my sources over into this document. And that is all. Thank you.